Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix broken copy and paste in Roblox. This issue usually happens due to clipboard errors or temporary system glitches. First, open your computer search bar and just type CMD, and you will see command prompt. So just click on Run as Administrator, and once the command prompt opens, just type the following command. Type CMD space / C space quotation mark, echo space off, and type this icon, which is just between the backspace and enter key, then clip and close quotation mark. Once you have done that, just go ahead and hit enter. Even if nothing appears on screen, this command resets your clipboard and can fix the copy and paste issue immediately. Now go ahead and open Roblox and try copy and paste again, or anywhere on your system to check if it is working. If the issue still continues, you can use an alternate method. Open Notepad and type the same command. Then click on File and go to Save As. Now go ahead and rename your file. I am going to name it Delft Stack and make sure it is set to .bat. Click on the drop-down for Save As type, set it to all files, and click on Save. Then open your File Explorer and double-click on the file that we just created. A small command window will appear briefly, which means the fix has been applied successfully. After that, go ahead and test copy and paste again. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the broken copy and paste issue in Roblox by resetting the clipboard using command prompt or a batch file. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.